Hello, everyone. As an IT professional, I'm here to talk to you about a critical issue that affects us all: computer viruses. These malicious pieces of software can cause severe damage to our personal and home computers, compromising our data and privacy. First, let's understand what computer viruses are. Just like a biological virus, a computer virus is designed to spread from host to host and has the ability to replicate itself. They can affect the way your computer operates and can even delete or corrupt your files. Now, how do we prevent these harmful viruses from infecting our computers? The first line of defense is having a reliable antivirus software installed. This software is designed to detect, prevent, and remove viruses and other malicious software like worms, trojans, adware, and more. Secondly, always ensure that your operating system and all your software are up to date. Software companies frequently release updates that fix bugs and close security loopholes, making it harder for viruses to infiltrate your system. Another crucial step is to be vigilant when browsing the internet. Avoid clicking on suspicious links or downloading files from untrusted sources. These can often be disguised as something harmless, but are actually gateways for viruses. Lastly, always back up your data regularly. In the unfortunate event that a virus does infect your computer, having a recent backup can save you a lot of trouble by allowing you to restore your system to a state before the infection. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. By following these simple steps, you can significantly reduce the risk of your personal and home computers falling victim to viruses. Stay safe and keep your data secure.